Hello. Figured I'd do another little update on my welding bench because it's been a little while. Done a little bit more work on it. I was gonna wait till I got a better camera. I noticed the screen picture is kind of small when I watch it, but I don't know. Maybe I'll get a camera soon. But I got this box all framed up. That's going to be a little cabinet. Oops. This is going to be another outlet here, 4.5 inches, 4-plex outlet there, and then one on this other side. Right there. Fire extinguisher is going here. This part's going to stay open for sitting area. Pull a chair up. But I got this pretty much dialed in now. Let's put this thing together quick here. Works pretty good actually. Well, it's lowered now. This is like, I can push on it really hard and move it, but it's pretty sturdy. There'll be a lot more weight on the top too, so I don't think it's going to move when it's all done. But this works really well now. These wheels actually work pretty decent. I was they're from Harbor Freight, so I was off this toolbox. But even with the top on it, it worked pretty well. I got that side jacked up. Jack this side up. I welded on my leveling pads I made. And the lathe over there, I didn't want to buy them, they were kind of expensive. I got a few bucks into each one now, but this floats. I ground on a little flat so I can put a wrench on there and a stop. And it's just a long nut in here. It's about, it must be 1.5 inches long, 3/4 10. So once I get it all done, I'll level it out and then I can lock it down each side. Got the wheels up. They're jacked down and moves really nice. But yeah. I got a piece of 14 gauge, I think it was. Over here, I'm going to cut up. Oh yeah. I believe it was 14 gauge, 4x8 sheet. Going to square this box off. Got this all, let me clean that up a little bit. Square that off, or not square it off. Well, box it off, I guess. With that, I think I'm gonna use 1/4 inch for this, for the door. It's gonna be a big door that opens. I'm not sure which way it's gonna swing open yet, but yeah, I might put a shelf here too. I don't know yet. I'll see how it goes. These are all pretty much in line with each other, so wouldn't be that hard to put a shelf there. See how it goes. Yeah, gonna be pretty sweet. I got this stuff kind of temporary spacers now. I'm gonna make something look a little bit better eventually, but yeah, I got the top. Oh yeah, the top's all loaded up. Taking that to work tonight. I'm gonna stay late and work on it. Well, if you can see it that good with the sun. It's 3 plates welded together. I don't know if you can see it. Oh. It's 3 5/8 plate. I think it was in the last video, welded together, flat. It actually worked pretty well welding it together. I put a little chamfer in it. I think it was like an 1/8 inch chamfer on each side and welded it up. But I heard a pretty big snap when it was welding, which was, I don't know, I thought it warped. But I don't know what the deal was with that. It surprisingly didn't warp at all, really. But I'm going to mill the top flat and drill and tap 1/2 inch 13 holes every 3 inches, I believe. So that'll be like 273 holes. That way I can, and then mill it square too, and flat, so I can have a little, like, I don't know, might be handy to clamp something to, I guess. Pretty much for clamping stuff to it, but yeah, bought one of these saws the other day. Haven't opened it yet. I saw some videos online, it looked pretty cool. The Milwaukee, the 8-inch metal cutting saw. Yeah, kind of looking forward to that. I got it out here so the wife doesn't see it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut up the sheet metal for that, or with that. I was gonna use a torch, but I don't know. I don't mind buying tools, I guess. Plus it was on sale, it was like 30 bucks off, 10% off pretty much, which was weird. I haven't seen it on sale. I've been looking at it for a while. Yeah, that's pretty much, I don't know. I gotta pull this box out here and I'm gonna probably put some plate in there so I can bolt it to it. That's what this, I can't remember what size this was, but that's what this was for. I'm going to put it where the casters used to be and bolt it in there so that, I mean, it looks crooked now. It's not in there right. Yeah. So, I don't know. Pretty much it for now, I guess. After I get it done, I want to make a grater blade for my mower. It's 1990. What year was it? Oh, 99. 1999 Toro wheel horse 520 LXI. It's pretty sweet. 1,000 pounds it weighs without the mower deck. Got cruise control, couple other high-low range, neutral, temp gauge, tilt steering, fuel gauge. I don't know. It's pretty cool. 20 horsepower, Kawasaki liquid cooled, shaft driven. Bought it like 2 years ago. It only had 154 hours on it. I don't know. I don't know. Thing's pretty heavy duty. I mean, it's pretty, pretty solid. Not like the stuff they make now. But, yeah. I'll do that later with it. Maybe I'll do a better video on it later, but it's pretty cool. But I want to make a grater blade for it for the driveway. That'll probably be the next project when I get my bench done. Alright, well, thanks for watching.